Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Costa Maya. Um, so it's not bad right now. There's another cruise ship coming in, guys. Where is it? Right there, guys. Right there. There's another cruise ship coming in with us. Yeah. So I'm going to be taking a stroll down here. This is my second time being at Costa Maya. I remember last time it wasn't that great, but hopefully it should be nicer now. So stay tuned. Guys, look at the amazing weather. Look at this. It's nice. Look at that. Another cruise ship is coming in. Kenna, don't go over there. Look, it says do not cross the red line. Where? Guys, just take in the beautiful view as I am. It's a long walk, guys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing today, but we'll see what we have in plan. And this is what I'm wearing, Crocs, today. Guys, look at the sun. That's my cruise ship right there, icon of the seas. See how big it is? Have you guys been to Costa Maya before? Have you guys been on a cruise before? I love cruising because it just opens up your mind, you know, like you just get to have fun and enjoy going to different ports, countries and stuff. So it's just, and then you get to eat. You don't need to clean. You can just eat, get up, go to the pool. You know, you get to enjoy yourself. So I love going on cruise ships. It's something that you guys should do as well if you like traveling and if you like doing those type of things, because it just opens up your mind more, you know? Well, look at this view, guys. I'm entering into the thing, Costa Maya. Guys, look at the flamingos. And there's some more over here. You see them? Look at them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am eating a salad. So I have croutons, tomato, sorry, I said croutons already. Tomatoes, cheddar, cheese, and yeah. Let's